I've come upstairs to do this unboxing and to show you how it works, but man, I chose the wrong day. It's like 32 degrees, literally. And I'm up here in my kitchen because I've got a bit more room than my studio downstairs. Okay, all right, so what is it? So it's a light box or a photo studio box. I use this quite a bit. I got this size because I thought it's perfect. Like, you put it in your room, you can put it in your kitchen, like here, you can put it downstairs in the studio. It doesn't take too much space, and plus it folds really thinly. A diffuser. So you've got the hooks here to go onto the ceiling. So we'll have a look at that in a minute. But anyway, all right, let's get this out. And you got your electrical supply here. It opens like that. Oh, I've got it the wrong way around. Let's turn it around. And you've got this floor bit here that goes up. And it keeps it nice and erected. All right, so you got your LEDs in here, as you can see, and you've also got a spot here for if you want to do a down from the top down photo. You can. It's good. They give you that option, which is good. A lot of them do. Construction's really good. Now they've got the silver inside because it will reflect whatever background you want to put in. It came with 3 backdrops. I'll just show you what they are. Usually a few other boxes that I've seen on the net that they come with a lot more, but this only came with 3 colors, just these 3 here. And we'll throw one on and see how it looks. We'll put the black one on it. I like the fact that they came with the bend in it and it's not creased, so you don't get any harsh lines. Well, that's the idea anyway. The material of these are like a plastic matte finish, which is good. And it's got the Velcro, so you can stick your backdrops on. So let's push him to the back. Now let's get these in. All right, so there you have it with the backdrop. Now it is USB, and you can have different kelvins as well, different light temperatures. So let's turn this on and see how it looks. Let's see if we can intensify it. So this is going through the kelvins, the different color temperatures, and you have your minus here to reduce the light, and then you can go as high as you want. It's not bad. This is the back of it. So it's all the same material, like this canvas material all the way around. And you can take some nice product photography. You can even do like food photography as well and sell them online. Now with this diffuser, all right, so I finally got it on. I had a bit of difficulties because the back part behind this, the one that you put up, it was covering the 2 little hook places for the hook to catch onto, and I had to stretch them through. Now I'll just show you the diffuser. There's the diffuser. So diffuses the light, spreads it around even better. So, all right, let's go through them. That's on, that's off. That's lowering the light. So it makes it more even light. So the actual LED lights connected through, when you're putting it together, you just pull it through this little hole. Just don't pull too hard. And for you to be able to plug this in. Now the other thing I noticed with this is the backdrop. Let me just turn it off. It has these 2 parts where the Velcro goes, but when the Velcro is on the other side of the Velcro, that grips stronger than the actual stickiness of these. So it's an easy fix. Just put a couple of drops of super glue and just put them on. Now, they'll never come off again. So it's not a really bad thing. Apart from that, it's really good. I'm really enjoying it. I have used it a few times. Put that part down. Like that, and it just folds up like that, and I'm losing everything. The only thing I'm sad about is it didn't come in a little bag. It would have been great to have this in a bag. But if they do give you handles here, which is all right, but if you're taking your backdrops with you, you know, there's nowhere really to put your backdrops. And that's it.